boy Cheese B, here at the house studio. Got some of the equipment set up. And got J Roll and BJ in the background filming by Medea, And getting in some work on the website, so keep posted on that. This video right here is actually going on the website. And promotion for the Reckless Boys DVD Part 1 Legends in the Making. Coming with the mixtape Legends in the Making. So stay tuned, updates daily here on the website and through the DVD once you purchase that along with the mixtape and the package. So again, this is your boy Cheese B. Tomorrow we're going to get into some business with DJ Noxy, hopefully 247, and Joker Ray, most definitely. So stay tuned. So we will keep you posted here on the site and through the DVD. So see ya.